Hi everyone, this is your interviewer Farah, and I'm here at the Education 2.0 Conference Dubai, and I have with me Miss Mahima. Hello. Can you please introduce yourself and your organization?
Hi, I'm Mahima and I'm a CEO and founder of Certometer.com. See, most of the people lose interest while they learn online. Everyone is talking, learning online is easier, but most of the time you see people can, watch Netflix or any social media platform for hours and hours. But the moment it comes to learning, people loses interest. And that's where we help. So we have a very interesting tech platform and very appealing content which help people to stay engaged and they can learn better, they can stay with the learning, and we help them. We help them in completing their course. So they complete the course, they learn the skill, and they grow in their ladder.
So I would like to start by saying congratulations.
Thank you.
Receiving the Outstanding Leadership Award.
Thank you.
Share with us how that felt.
It feels awesome because when you run an organization, nobody's there to appreciate you. It is all that it's your job to appreciate everyone all the time. So it is good to be here that someone else is appreciating you. I think it's wonderful.
That's amazing. We're so happy that you're happy with this recognition.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to ask you a little bit more about this area specifically. How do you help a learner choose the right skill in IT for them?
Yeah, it's very important to, learner to choose the right skill. And I think that's the most difficult job. So we don't sell everything to everyone. We try to understand which domain they are into, what is right skills for them, and how their career is going to shape in the future. So, we really spend time and time in, talking to them and helping them in selecting the right career path. And we give them, the right course, and we make sure that they stay engaged and they don't lose interest and they complete the course. So we handhold in their journey, starting from selecting the right skill for them and till the time they complete it.
And why didn't you start this? What inspired you?
Okay, so it's a very interesting question. So I have been into the IT industry. I finished my master's, and when I entered into the corporate world, I realized there is a huge gap in the, what corporate need and what people are actually learning in the college. And I thought I would solve it. So it was, I think everyone feels in some time that we can do it, but it's not so easy when you come out. Then then I realized, I have to do everything. I have to build the tech. I have to do the marketing. I have to be educator. So it wasn't so easy. It took me years to build that. So, successfully, I have exited from 2 ventures. So this is my 3rd venture, and both of them, from the education side. So one where we have built a SaaS platform, we developed the tech so other educators can use it. The other one, we have developed a platform which was helpful for end user to think beyond medical and engineering. And now we are building a platform for IT professionals. So anyone who want to, enhance their IT skills, we are helping them. So be it cloud, AI, chat GPT, anything they can think of, and whoever is scared of technology, we help them to be confident.
That's a lot. You must have a lot on your plate, but it's so inspiring that you're doing all of that at the same time and helping out people. That's amazing.
It's fulfilling. It's actually fulfilling.
Yeah, for sure. Now, I would like to know about your experience at the conference so far. What do you think of it? Are you networking with people here?
Yeah, so I think more than anything, what I'm finding here is the like-minded people. Here everyone is doing what they like to do, and everyone is inspired. So nobody else is inspiring them. They're, motivated to do something, and they are doing a lot of failures. They are doing a lot of success. So they're enjoying their journey. I'm also part of it. So when you meet the same sort of people, and you feel awesome, and I'm talking to them, I find, they're very inspiring. There is a lot to learn from each other. And I think this networking would help me to understand my areas of improvement. And if somewhere I can help them, and I think it's an excellent way to, share knowledge with each other.
We're glad to know that you're having a good time here. Hopefully you enjoy the second and third day.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Now, if people would like to get in touch with you, where can they find you?
They can find me on LinkedIn, and you can drop me an email, mahima@certometer.com. I am available.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Ms. Mahima. It's been a pleasure, and congratulations again.
Thank you. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you.